Aesop's Fable EP101, The Bird Who Managed Forest Resources. Scene 1, The Resourceful Bird's Dilemma. In a vast and vibrant forest, there lived a clever and thoughtful bird named Bella. Bella was known among the forest animals for her wisdom and careful planning. As the seasons changed, Bella noticed that the forest's resources, like berries, seeds, and nesting materials, were becoming scarce. The animals relied on these resources to survive, especially during the colder months. One day, as Bella flew through the forest, she began to worry. If we don't manage our resources carefully, we might run out before the season ends. I need to figure out how to use what we have wisely so that everyone has enough. Bella decided that she needed to calculate the forest's resources and come up with a plan to manage them efficiently. Scene 2, Assessing the Resources. Bella started by flying around the forest to take inventory of the available resources. She counted the berries, seeds, and nesting materials she found in different parts of the forest. Berries, 200 units. Seeds, 150 units. Nesting materials, 100 units. Bella knew that these resources needed to last for the next 3 months until the forest began to replenish in the spring. She calculated the total amount of resources and how much was needed per month to ensure that all the animals had enough. Total resources, 200 units, berries, plus 150 units, seeds, plus 100 units, nesting materials, equals 450 units. Months until spring, 3 months. Bella realized that she needed to calculate how much of each resource could be used per month without running out. Scene 3, Calculating Monthly Usage. Bella sat down on a branch and began to calculate the maximum amount of resources that could be used each month. Berries, 200 units divided by 3 months equals 66.67 units per month. Seeds, 150 units divided by 3 months equals 50 units per month. Nesting materials, 100 units divided by 3 months equals 33.33 units per month. Bella then shared her calculations with the other animals in the forest. She explained that they needed to stick to these limits each month to ensure that there would be enough resources for everyone until the forest started to bloom again. The animals agreed to follow Bella's plan and promised to be mindful of how much they used. Scene 4, A Well-Managed Forest. As the first month passed, Bella kept a close eye on the resource usage. She reminded the animals to only take what they needed and to avoid wasting anything. Thanks to Bella's careful calculations, the forest's resources were being used efficiently. By the end of the second month, the animals noticed that there were still plenty of berries, seeds, and nesting materials left. Bella's plan was working, and the forest was thriving even in the midst of winter. When spring finally arrived, the forest began to replenish its resources. The animals were grateful to Bella for her thoughtful management. They had learned the importance of conserving and calculating their usage to ensure that everyone had enough. As the forest bloomed once again, Bella knew that the careful management of resources had made a big difference. The other animals came to her for advice on how to manage their own resources in the future. Moral of the story: managing resources requires careful calculation and planning. By understanding how much we have and how much we need, we can use our resources wisely and ensure that everyone is taken care of.